Are we ready for more spring stuff? So here is the Frenchie Spring Plate. This is just a really nice way to spruce up your French. And this is our newest spring limited edition nail plate organizer, mini nail plate organizer. It is front and back here. And who doesn't want things that are just pretty to look at? And this is our holographic foils. So awesome because you get 10 different colors of the same kind of styles. Ooh, look at that linear rainbow. But guess what? We have other foils too. We have this really cool cream colored foils that you could get really creative with. And the next one, we have like this glitter holographic foil. So pretty. Ooh, that's beautiful. And I'm sure you guys have heard us use the term Halloween all year round. This is one of those plates that kind of takes that inspiration, but it has some foliage. It says, "Welcome to the Ghoulish Garden." That's what this plate is called. It's called Ghoulish Garden. Oh, creepy. Very creepy. I love it. And this is Floral Fever. I love like the daisies. As you can see, my nails are really inspired with that whole flair, like the 90s. But yeah, that's how cute that is.